asemo Otikarabo ase eminano byanyanza kolende bonongo irase nsemo yekisukuru chisekondari eminano aonigo bagendrete ose nsemo ya regionals abwase lituko lyigoro egati eyeminano ebyo nkeli ke gasori ya chess ekyo kyabetenze nsemo ya kisi school abwase abagosori abegetasayo elyo kwegeriri baga lyo chikosori ase nationals ekigosori yo chikokoreka nsemo ya Nakuru muri kyoito Captain 001 Ndemo Steven nagete nseme yo nagotwariganiria orobotiro kubwati
Aiga na seskuru ya kisi school aiga ase chigosori chaba chigokorekana ase kerengo kia bana kerengo kia under 7 under 9 under 11 under 13 under 15 na under 17 awase chiskuru au chaba chibweso kikorwa ase kerengo keririe chiskuru choboroso primary schools na chiskuru chekerengo ya secondary asabana lobate miaka 15 nebere ubaika aiga asama menonyo kwene kianda kembara bibali waraba kwenda sentunde kubwatia.
And today we are having an event of picking a team that is proceeding to the nationals that will be held immediately schools close at Moi Girls Eldoret. And we have picked teams that are going to represent this region at the nationals that weekend after closing schools.
Where we had a total of 147 students from 15 schools taking part, and any participant who scored 2 points out of 6 automatically qualify for the nationals that shall be held in Eldoret.
One I was playing with somebody, it was a draw, but the others I defeated all of them. Some others were not in my age, some others were even too small to play with. So I defeated all of them, even the big ones, the ones that are not in my age, I just defeated.
2018 Nyabigena Kisi School Sironga na Bubarenga Ororo bakaenda nationals. 2019 Nartua Tuareta Abana Batangan Kongusiva koenda for an international event. Eya renge Nyabigena boys, asena renge coach.
Walito sangana babo nigo bagokera egosori esekeli bate babuna ne egosori gokonya omuntu kujara kurengera limono asebono basabira gwatani beserekari kwene kibuna chiskuru au njibwate egosori yeli kwegerera chibosori chikonyara gusuka na kwenda sekerengo kende.
It helps you in having great focus, for example in mathematics and other subjects like physics and chemistry.
This is a mind game, this is chess. It contains you to know more about it. It can help you in mathematics. It makes you, before you think, you must make a move.
Chess is a mind game. You have just to think at the opponent. Don't be shy when you're playing chess.
Chingongo chinde, chia Kenya, already nchitotanganerete mosio ase omochiesoyo. Babere bakoenda ase ense ya isiko mara nyinge na ende mbono na intutotate koranga korwa orogongorwa gusi na intutuatwalira abana baito toba exposure to the outside world with regard to this game.
Buna gosori enda yonse nigo bona batebere buna amaegerio gosekerike manyaka inde buna practice na raga ne iria se gosori yese bali bonse bakole chigosori chentunde banyalire kwegwo moyo konyara kugendera kwegera se chiskuru chiabo na kwenda kibuna sentunde kubwati mbabe bamanyire mono kobo komanya kwa ba sentunde ko report rigeta seni kya Ndizi TV korwa igase skuru ya kisi